Okay, yeah. Today we have laptop. This is the old one, Axioo laptop. This is the small LCD. Have small LCD, maybe only 10 inch. This is Axioo Pico series Pico model W217CU slash CGM. It's coming for not turning on. This is the power button, turning on the power button, nothing. Okay, we use the original charging and push the power button. Oh, it's not, we have picture, so the laptop is fine, yeah, see, but we can push the F2 button. Okay, I will try. Yeah, stuck in the logo, stuck in the Axioo logo. I try to another keyboard. Okay, F2. F2. Please wait. Can we uh, into the BIOS? Get into the BIOS. Please wait. It is hang. I will try another keyboard. Okay. F2. Mainly the keyboard is make the laptop stuck in the logo. Okay, I will remove the keyboard first before we try another. We try another a way to solve this problem. First, I will remove the keyboard. Okay. Okay, I had been open the keyboard. We try without the keyboard. Still hang right now. Yeah, the logo is coming. Still stuck on the logo. We have problem. The fan is not spinning. We must open this laptop to fix this fan. Okay, now we try to open the hard disk. Switch to the See, remove we remove the hard disk. Yeah? Okay, try again without the hard disk. Yeah, see the fan is not spinning. Nothing happened. Still, we stuck on the logo. Eh? Okay, I think we must open the laptop. Eh? Let's find out what happened here. Why the laptop is not going to the operation system or to the Windows. Yeah, we configure. We found what causes the laptop do not want going to the Windows. Eh? Okay, we found the BIOS battery. We open the BIOS battery now. We reset the BIOS first. Yeah, I think enough. We check the BIOS battery is have enough voltage or not. Yeah. Oh, too low. Eh. 1.6 is too low for BIOS battery. It's about 3.34. Eh. Try without BIOS battery, without hard disk. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we have picture. We have picture. Another picture is going to booting to the Windows because the hard disk is had been I removed, so it is not going to booting to the Windows. Switch off. Okay. I will open the laptop and uh, open the laptop and clean the fan and want to find out why the fan is not turning on. 2 gigs. Okay. The RAM is 2 gigs. Okay. Okay, we continue with this laptop. Yeah. Laptop now is uh, can display but cannot booting to the hard disk. At the first time, I think the hard disk is bad. Yeah? Maybe the sector or something like that. But I checked with HDD Sentinel software at another computer. I found the hard disk is normal. Eh? Clearly, the laptop cannot uh, uh, can the laptop doesn't know the hard disk. Eh? The laptop cannot detect the hard disk. Uh, Before I record this video, suddenly the laptop is can detect the hard disk, but now uh, the laptop not detect the hard disk again. See, this is the boot menu, but there is no hard disk choice. when I switch off and then turn on, switch on, plug in the charger. Yeah, this is the LED on the for the HDD, the hard disk, the hard drive, but it's not bling, yeah, in this side, in this LED. And I checked for the 5 volt at the this hard disk. It doesn't present, 5 volt doesn't present. Uh, yeah. So because this 5 volt sometimes present, sometimes not present. Sorry, I want it wrong here. Yeah, it is not 5 volt but 3.7. Clearly this not enough for power up the hard drive. So I will make a jump from here, yeah, from this here, 5.18 to here to give the the hard drive power, right? Okay, just for a second. Okay, we continue with this Axioo laptop. Uh, after I modify the voltage for the fan and then laptop is turning on. We have picture, but we can booting to the hard disk. We're booting to hard drive. I inspect that the hard drive is lost, not lost all, but the 5 volt is going to 3.1 and 3.4. So because I have no schematic, I do modification, get 5 volt from the voltage switch, uh, and jump to the 5 volt for the hard drive. Yeah, and now we must test it. Yeah. Actually, I have been tested, but it's for video. I tested. Plug in the charger, push the power button, laptop coming on. Yeah, we have picture, Axioo, and it is booting or not. I think this is booting. Yeah, you see, this is Microsoft Corporation. It's mean it is okay. Yeah. If you found the problem like I found for the same type of laptop, you lose 5 volt. Actually, in the SATA connector for the laptop, we have 2 volt, 3.3 and 5 volt, I think. Uh, if you lose this, you can jump and find from the voltage switch. It means the voltage is present after you switch the power button, not the always voltage. Be careful for this, yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.